This is Vicki from the Windows Club. If you wish to activate dark mode on your Windows 11 system, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right-click on the Start button. From the menu that pops up, select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Personalization tab on the left pane. In the right pane, click on Colors. Corresponding to Choose Your Mode, please change the mode from light to dark. That's it! Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your query. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day!